Thank you for joining me for tonight's guided meditation. Let me tell you a little bit about how I structured this so that you can feel like you need to feel. So tonight, as you breathe into yourself, you're going to start hearing my words. You're going to start hearing me come through. You're also going to hear background music. I want you to focus on my words and the music, but more importantly, I want you to focus on your breath. So in these longer guided meditations, it's best to be sitting or lying down in a place where you can feel safe. I always recommend headphones and really setting boundaries all around you, letting other people know like, hey, for the next 30 minutes, I'm going to be in a deep meditation. And that looks like me relaxing with headphones in, and I'd love to not be disturbed, for there to not be loud noises, and for nobody to be around me. I also recommend clearing away animals because sometimes they like to jump and pounce and distract, and turning your phone or your devices on do not disturb so you can really, really sink into the moment. I'm hoping by now you've found somewhere to settle into. And I want to walk you through some breathing for a minute. I want everybody to breathe in through their nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. And I want you to continue breathing like that as you close your eyes and get settled in. I want you to let your body melt, sinking into the surface beneath you. Unclench your jaw. Go from the tips of your toes to the top of your head, including your fingers and your neck and your bum and your back, and just let everything loosen and soften and sink. As we're lying here, I want you to breathe. And if you start getting distracted by thoughts, or if you think you might, here's a quick tip. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You're doing it, but I also want you to think the word breathe in, breathe out as you're doing it. If that doesn't work, you can also think the word breathe in and breathe out while doing it, and snapping your finger or tapping your thigh. Doing all three of these things, doing the breathing, thinking the thoughts, breathe in, breathe out, and snapping or tapping, is going to make sure that your mind stays focused on the present moment. So if you have trouble sinking into these things, I want you to let yourself really sink in to the present moment. So I'm going to be talking. You're going to hear music in the background at some point. I never plan what I'm going to say in these meditations. I just kind of let source move through me. At some point, I will pause and I'll say something like that, like the time is yours to listen. And in that moment, you're going to stop hearing my voice. You're going to continue hearing the background music. And I just want you to let whatever messages, sensations, downloads come through that are meant for you. When I feel called, I'll start talking again. Shortly after that, the meditation will end and we'll come back here. And I recommend taking some time to breathe and journal, or do what you need to do to reflect on tonight's meditation. I will end the video just after I stop speaking. So now that I've explained, now that you've had time to find somewhere, get really comfortable, it's time to meditate. So breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Deeper and deeper into this present moment right now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. And with every breath you take, sinking deeper into this moment, as any thoughts or feelings that might arise simply float away. Sinking deeper into yourself, allowing the surface beneath you to hold you fully. And as you breathe, I want you to envision yourself walking down a beautiful meadow path. Wild flowers and greenery all through. The smell of sage brushes your nose. You can smell the beautiful trees surrounding you. You can feel the gaze of the sun, the caress of the wind, the soil beneath your feet. You notice birds flying up ahead, bees buzzing in the flowers. Every breath you take, sinking deeper into this moment. And as you walk down this path, a beautiful, radiating white light beams down upon you. This white light cleanses your entire energy field, cleanses your mind, your body, your spirit of all low vibrational energies, repelling any and all that would wish to do you hurt or harm, cleansing you of all of your doubts and fears. As you feel this warmth radiate inside you, breathing even deeper into this moment, you notice a beautiful owl on a tree up ahead. Intrigued, you begin walking towards it. This beautiful, wise, pure white owl looks at you with the most mesmerizing eyes, as if he's speaking to you through those eyes. He begins to fly, urging you to follow him. And as you continue to walk down this path, following the fluttering of his wings, a beautiful red energy swirls around you, grounding you into the Earth Mother, allowing you to anchor in and feel the safety of your own soul. As you continue to walk, following his lead closely, the red turns to orange. And with every breath you take, you are filled with life-sustaining, nurturing energy. Your sacral is filled, nourished, and whole, fueling you to ignite your inner flame as the orange transforms to a beautiful yellow energy, activating and igniting your solar plexus, your freedom of choice, your divine sovereignty, your ability to move forward with confidence in life. Still following your beautiful owl friend with a new vigor, with a new fullness, deeply grounded, as the yellow transforms into a vibrant green and your heart space expands to the frequency of love, becoming one with all that is, becoming one with you. As your heart melts open, you feel this love radiate within you, bringing safety to the spirit within. And as the green transforms into a bright blue, your throat expands to free your soul essence, your creative expression, your divine truth. Feeling fully alive, able to express yourself in complete integrity. Even more excited as your pace quickens behind the owls, as a vibrant indigo energy moves through you, activating your third eye, allowing you to transcode all of the messages of the universe, bringing understanding and wisdom within. And with a final shift in colors, a beautiful, vibrant violet shines down through you, penetrating your crown and opening you up to all of your divinity as you stand on this path now, fully tuned in to the divine and grounded into the earth, your power intact. The colors fade away and you notice that the owl stopped perched on the perfect tree. The owl floats down to you slowly as you join him underneath the tree. And as you stare into his eyes, you notice vibrant wings expanding where your arms once were. With a wink of his eye, he takes off in flight. You instinctively follow, fluttering your wings as you rise higher and higher, following your owl friend for miles and miles towards the sun. And when you feel like you can't fly any further, a vibrant shift takes place and you are portaled in to the astral realm. Your owl friend still flying above you as you notice a pure white light in all of your surroundings, a white light like you have never seen. Here you feel something within you awaken. All that you really are comes forward, and as you look down on the earth from this beautiful astral realm, you see and understand what human life means. You take a step back and in your divinity feel the most mesmerizing, all-encompassing love. Each and every aspect of the earth, from the humans to the trees to the mountains and the bees, are all connected. Your heart space explodes with love for each creature, each landscape on this powerful earth, understanding what you are. And as you take in this view, remembering your eternity, you notice the owl has transformed into a beautiful being of light. This being of light has for you today a powerful message, a desire for you to connect to your own divinity and the love that dwells within. As you stare into this beautiful light being, listen to the message that is for you now. As this powerful message comes to an end, standing apart from this light being, gazing in to all that it is, bowing your head in gratitude for your experience here today as the light being steps inside of you. Divine One, you are consciousness, the great creator of the universe. God in human form, you are the frequency of love. As you return to earth and your human form today, leave all judgments behind. With each interaction, each new experience, see the world anew with these eyes of purity and grace. Let your compassion radiate not only to yourself, but to all that you see. You are sacred, Divine One. Hold yourself high as you walk in your power and purpose. May beautiful beings of light radiate throughout you as you experience all of the sensations that come with human form, remembering your divinity every step of the way. Your owl friend appears again, ready to guide you back down to earth. As he dives down through the portal, you follow, quickly entering into a layer of clouds, soaring high above the trees and the ocean as you make your descent, breathing in through your nose, flying under the trees, back to the meadow, where your feet firmly hit the ground, finding their anchor. As your wings dissolve, you thank the owl for his guidance today. Before you walk away, he lays at your feet a powerful object. Notice what it looks like, what it represents for you, and tuck it into your heart space for safekeeping, knowing this reminder will guide you on your way as you walk back down the meadow path, entering into your full present moment experience, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, in through your nose and out through your mouth. 5, moving your body. 4, allowing yourself to feel every body part. 3, wiggling your fingers and toes, opening your jaw. 2, a big deep breath in, and 1, here now, eyes open, fully awake in remembrance of your journey. Take some time to breathe, drink lots of water, record what you want to remember. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.